What's up, guys? I wanted to pop on and just make a real quick impromptu video about the Rollei A110 and changing the battery in this thing. So I know this is probably going to be like the nichiest video in the history of niche videos, but I figured, I went to change the battery in this thing, and I'm lucky that when I bought it off eBay, I came with the manual. If it didn't have the manual, I don't know if I would have been able to figure this thing out. Maybe I would have, but it just probably would have taken me quite a while because I was fumbling around with it and I didn't want to break it to try to open it up and get the battery changed. And I thought, if this is a problem for me, it might be a problem for, I don't know, 3 other people on the internet. So worthy of making a video. So to get the battery out of this thing, open it up, and on the back side, you'll see there's like a little, I guess, orange button, maybe. I guess it's a button. Just basically press in that button, and the top has will pop out this little cradle here. And in that cradle sits the battery. And it's a PX27 battery, and it is a 5.6 mercury battery, 5.6 volt mercury battery. They don't make these anymore, but I think I found a good replacement, because I know you guys are going to ask, okay, what battery are you putting in it? Hey guys, this clip is actually being recorded in the future, or the future compared to the video you were just watching. That this battery chamber was a pain in the butt to open, was because I got a new battery for it, and I wanted to swap out the battery. The battery was working in here, but I figured, okay, it's super old, and I want to swap it out. So I got this one from Amazon. It's a Golden Power PX27M, and dimensions fits perfectly. Everything's same size, and the voltage is a little bit different. So instead of the mercury battery that was in here, 5.6, this is going to be 6 volt. I don't think it's going to make too much of a difference. But anyway, in the video, and you won't have seen this because I'll have cut it out, I explained what battery I got, and recommended, hey, this fits and it should work, and whatever. Well, I changed it out after making the video, and well, I have a problem. So I wanted to show you guys here what the issue is. So in the camera right now is the old mercury battery, okay? And if you look in here, okay, there's no film in here, so you should be able to see the shutter open up and close after we cycle it. Which you can. You see the shutter open, right? Good to go. So let me change this battery and show you what I mean. This guy, pop it in there, pop that in there, okay. Replacement battery is in. Nothing. Looking through that window. I hear it. Maybe try to block the light. Yeah. So that's my problem, guys. Looks like the new battery isn't working. Now, I don't know whether it's just a bum battery, so I'm actually going to pick up another one of these batteries. I think they were like $6 or $7, so it's really, no big deal. It kind of sucks to waste money, but maybe I just got a bad battery. Like, it is doing something. I hear it clicking in there, so I don't know. Yeah, if you guys have any suggestions or ideas, yeah, hit me up. But that's that, and I'm probably going to click back to the rest of the video right now. All right, so pop the battery back in, and while we're here, it might be worth mentioning how to get the back open to load the film here. Now, this is a little bit easier to figure out if you don't have a manual. On the bottom side, obviously, you have your picture of a cartridge and some orange, I guess, orange notifiers like, hey, there's something to do here, whatever. But again, if you're like me, I don't want to break things. So if you don't know exactly what to do, you don't want to pull or pry or press too hard on stuff. But this is a little bit easier. You just push down and pull that out, and that back will open right up. And then you can just take your cartridge, slap it in, and you're good to go. So anyway, like I said, I figured that the battery thing was really driving me nuts, and I dug out the manual. Thank goodness I had the manual, because I knew I'm sitting here and I'm like pushing this and pulling this, and then I'm like, oh, I want to hit this button and play it. I was like, this is stupid. So I just got the manual out and I thought, you know what? If it's a problem for me, it might be worth making a video about. So anyway, I'm still enjoying this. I've shot a bunch of cartridges through this. I haven't done a video on this yet. I do plan to. I really, really love this camera. So anyway, that's all for today. Just want to pop on, say what's up, and show you guys that. And hope you're all well, and I'll catch you later.